Doing an overview. 65 Chevy Nova 2. Just got it. Obviously it's cold in Chicago and snow. Can't take it out, just roll it out. Color's a Tangelo orange. You can see how it changes colors. It's a pearl Tangelo. They took it from Lamborghini. Check out the engine bay. Immaculate. I just ordered the wheel well covers. I'll get those painted orange and call it a day. And look very professional after that. Very nice paint job all around. Chrome is all in good shape too. The wheels in the back. It's got a fuel cell with a 20-gallon fuel cell. That way you can go to the car shows. Don't worry about running out of gas. Cutoff is in the back here. Batteries in the back. And all the receipts are in there. Over 50 grand saved. All the receipts. Let's check out the interior. Very well put together, very well. Nice and clean. Door jambs are all nice. Did a really good job, whoever did. And then these race seats, he put them in felt, very comfortable. They're not fixed. They go back and forth, and they recline. It's tubbed out in the back. Let's see how it starts here. All right, ignition, fuel pump, start.